Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to align objects in Tinkercad in 2026. Aligning objects is an essential feature that helps you position shapes accurately, create symmetrical designs, and make your 3D models look clean and professional. Let's get started. First, open Tinkercad in your web browser and sign in to your account. From your dashboard, open an existing project or create a new design. Once the workspace loads, make sure the objects you want to align are already placed on the workplane. Next, select the objects you want to align. You can click and drag a selection box around them, or hold the *Shift** key while clicking each object individually. After selecting multiple objects, they will all be highlighted. Now click the **Align ** button in the top toolbar. You can also press the *L* key on your keyboard as a shortcut. As soon as you activate the Align tool, several black alignment handles will appear around your selected objects. Click one of these alignment handles to align the objects along that specific axis. For example, you can center them from left to right, align them from front to back, or line them up vertically. Tinkercad instantly moves the selected objects into perfect alignment. If you don't want one particular object to move, click that object again before choosing an alignment point. It will become the reference object, and the remaining objects will move to match its position. This feature is especially useful when building precise mechanical parts or symmetrical designs. After aligning your objects, rotate the camera and inspect your model from different angles to make sure everything is positioned correctly. If necessary, you can repeat the alignment process until you're satisfied with the layout. Using the Align tool regularly will save time, improve accuracy, and help you create cleaner 3D models that are easier to assemble and print. And that's how to align objects in Tinkercad in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials and 3D design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.